I'm making mushroom risotto with onions, soy milk, almond milk. But if you're nut-free, make it with soy milk or any other plant-based milk that's not with nuts. And bean rice and cauliflower broccoli. But it's mainly the mushroom risotto with broccoli and cauliflower and tofu in there. And bean rice, special rice that my mom makes. And we put the soy, this one in there, and vegetable broth. And we put broccoli last after boil up. And we put nutritional yeast, a cup. And then this, and then this. Yummy! It smells yummy. I wish that you can come here. Sweet potato oatmeal biscuits for dessert and breakfast. Maybe use some oats, like a full cup of oats, and if you have any mashed potatoes left over, you can use that, but I recommend you using steamed potato and mash it. Or if you like, you can make banana oatmeal. Up to you, what fruit do you want?